Welcome to this course, Hands-on Marketing Analytics with Python, your gateway to mastering the cutting-edge technologies transforming marketing world. In this course, we will explore how machine learning and AI are reshaping the marketing, enhancing decision making, and creating new opportunities for innovation and efficiencies. Hi, I am Himanshu Bhardwaj, your instructor for this exciting journey into the world of marketing and technologies. With years of experience in analytics and data science, I am thrilled to guide you through the complexities and opportunities that machine learning and AI bring to marketing. In this course, you will master the art of marketing analytics using Python, gaining the skills to make data-driven decisions that drive business growth. In pricing analytics module, you will be understanding various pricing strategies, and also we will be developing some cutting edge machine learning models to make data driven pricing decisions. In product analytics, we will be doing some advanced analysis like funnel analysis, cohort analysis, and we will, with the help of data, try to understand the interaction of your customer with your product. In customer analytics module, we will be using some cutting edge machine learning technologies to leverage the customer data and to understand the customer behavior. We will be covering some advanced topics such as customer lifetime value, market basket analysis, product recommendation systems, and many other advanced analysis such as cluster analysis and classification. We will start with the basic and fundamentals of Python and machine learning, and then we will dive deep into the advanced topics such as customer lifetime value, customer segmentation, market basket analysis, developing a product recommendation system with collaborative filtering techniques, and many other advanced analysis such as cohort and funnel analysis. Using real world data, you will learn to apply these techniques and gain hands-on practical experience with powerful Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, matplotlib, Seaborn, and many other important libraries. I designed this course to be highly practical and interactive, ensuring you can immediately apply what you have learned to the real world marketing challenges. Whether you are a marketer, data enthusiast, business professional, or a student looking to break into the world of marketing, this course is designed for you. Join me in hands-on marketing analytics with Python and transform the way you approach marketing with the power of data. Enroll now and start your journey towards becoming a marketing analytics expert with Python. See you in the course.